Howdy. This is me now. But getting here wasn't easy. So I'll tell you the story from the start. We're just normal year 10s here, doing normal classes.
The principal wants to see you in his office. Now!
Why didn't tell the goddamn teacher, eh?
I didn't.
Hey?
I didn't.
Come in. Please, sit down.
Thank you.
Well, I'll get straight to the point. It's obvious that things have been getting pretty chaotic around here, and I've come up with a plan to fix it. I want some students to police the school, and I've chosen you two to do it. The reason being your brute force and superior intellect. Now get out there and start policing. You know what to do. Oh, and if you do this, your grades are automatically 100%.
Oh, thanks. I'll get straight to it. Shut up. Are you alright?
I lost my lunchbox.
What? Huh?
I lost my lunchbox.
Oh, you've lost your lunchbox. Well, I'll help you find it, alright?
Stupid wanker.
Leave
It's a purple lunchbox with flummies on it. I was meant to take my sister's, but I took my own.
Have you had lunch already?
Yeah!
Well, where'd you last see it?
In my bag, I went to get it. It wasn't there.
Alright, well, here, I'll help you up and we'll have a look for it, alright?
Okay, thank
You're
you.
a loser, mate.
Alright, yeah, let's have a look over here.
Hey, wankers. You were sitting on your fat
There it
fuck.
is.
Oh, there it is. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
That's alright.
Thank you, thank you. Come on, lad.
Alright, let's go. Wait. Hey, Tom, do you reckon that I could, oh, shit. Hey, don't touch me. What do you think you're doing, eh?
Make me. Hey, Arnie, can you believe this guy?
Hey, what?
Happened to you, man? You're going soft.
I'll show you soft.
He doesn't love me anymore.
Essays are due at the end of the lesson.
Thanks. Oh, Susan, that's naughty. Come in, come in.
Howdy.
Good morning, boys.
Morning. Oh!
Damn education cutbacks.
What do you got for us today, eh?
Well, as you may know, test scores are up.
Yeah, we're actually pretty proud of that one.
It's not you. We suspect cheating. Here, look at Pete's record.
Better than normal, eh? Yeah, obviously he's turned around.
I doubt it. He's in the next room for a spanking. Lecture.
Right. Let's see. So, what does this mean?
Well, I'm not sure. That's why you're here. I need to find out what's happening.
Consider it done. Only take a day.
Okay, but I'll give you a week. After that, it's up to me to do.
Oh yeah, sure.
Get to work.
See you around. Here you go. He's gonna go in. Yeah.
Susan, where were we?